Et tu vas voir maîtresse?
Picha est malade.
Picha, elle est malade?
Oui.
Oh oh. Alors tu es gentil avec maîtresse. Hein? D'accord?
But maybe it's true.
That's why I didn't see Pisha on Tuesday.
Ah. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire aujourd'hui? Hein? Tu vas jouer avec tes copines? Et comment elles s'appellent tes copines?
Ambre.
C'est qui les copines à
Ambre.
Sarah? Comment elle s'appelle la copine à Sarah?
Oh,
Ambre.
C'est Ambre.
on peut pas l'école.
Ambre, elle va à l'école aussi.
Go, 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 go. It's time to go. Tell her say your goodbyes. Tell her come.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Au revoir Sarah.
Au revoir.
Bye Tyler. Tu es gentil, tu bois ton eau,
Oui.
tu travailles bien.
Oui.
Ok?
Ok.
Ouais. Dismiss. Next.
What you say?
Go. Go. You don't want to know what he says. He's been naughty. Kind of
Alright.
friendly to be so cheeky.
I don't know,
sad.
it's you, I don't know. Me, I am here, you give me a chick. So I don't know what's going on to you. Alright, so what you gonna do today?
Be nice.
Be nice.
Be kind.
Be kind.
Be patient.
Alright,
Be
you walk-
brave.
Alright, you walk
Allez,
well,
travaille
okay?
bien.
Travaille bien, okay?
We're out. Go. Off to school. Chop chop.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. That was me heading out to drop off the crew at school. Babe head out to work right away also. Now I am back and I'm heading to try and get a little workout in this morning. I had zero intentions of working out this morning. I went to bed like after 1 p.m., 1 a.m. I don't know why I can't sleep these days, and I just didn't feel like working out this morning. And on my way back, I said, you know what, when I get home, I have a little time, I am going to try and bike and get a little workout in just to kickstart my day on a good note. So hopefully you guys are getting a little active workout done. Whether you guys are walking, biking, running, get something done. Even if you don't feel like do it anyways. Anyway, have a good day. I'm gonna leave you guys here and go and try and get this workout in real quick. So catch me and keep up, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Stick and say, I have a few things on my agenda to get done today, so I'm not gonna stick around with you guys too long. So deuces, see you guys later. My little ride was a vibe. I'll take it. Now I need to clean my house. I need to clean my entire house. That's my mission for today, and I'm also gonna wash my hair. So the fact that I'm gonna wash my hair, I think I'm gonna do it first so that I can get the bathroom to clean and get everywhere else to clean and try and finish all of that within the next 2 hours. So by midday I can have lunch and get some studying done. So a very productive day ahead of me. Let's go. voila, hair is done. All right, you guys, so that's hair wash and done. Combing. So I twist a little section at the front of my hair, just give myself a different look today. And I cornrow 2 at the back, and boom, there you have a protective style. Now I'm gonna wash the bathroom, clean this house, and get myself a shower. So I'm well on my way. Well on my way. It's a joy when you can do your hair yourself, huh? Yeah, girl. You guys, I have been minding my business and cleaning my house all day today. Look how my hair shrink. The shrinkage is real. But anyway, I have been going easy on myself today. Would you call that easy on yourself? I don't know, but I clean every single room in this house, change every single bedding. I had lunch, I did some self-care, take care of myself a bit, and went to study my driving license course. And I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm making dinner because I have to go pick up the kids in 40 minutes. So I'm cooking curry chicken. Don't ask me what it's going with. I don't know as yet, but I know I'm going with curry chicken. So I have curry chicken over here. I just add some coconut milk to it, hence it looks a little bit white. But yeah, last minute business. So that's what dinner is gonna be, and I don't know what it's gonna go with, but I'll figure that out as time goes by. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day, and I am going back to study, and I'm making use of that 40 minutes before my kids get home, honey child. Because you know, once the kids come home, it's a whole different vibe, right? Yes, a whole different vibe. You guys, I have to show you the beauty of the sunset that I'm seeing outside. Look at it from inside. Let me open the door to give you guys a better view. Wow. Look at that beauty, beauty. Look at that. That is so pretty. You guys, I'm outside now, so you guys can see it better than I show you before. Well, it's kind of gone down. I think the view earlier was better. It was bright.
It was.
Still pretty though.
Yeah, but
Ah, look who's home. Where you going?
going to get my kids at school. Where are you going?
Going to get my kids. I don't know where you going.
I have 2 kids, 2 wonderful kids that look exactly like me. So
Alright, okay. I hear you.
yeah, you can't miss them once you see them, you know.
What is it?
You can't miss them. Once you see them, you know I'm the dad.
You're a fool. And once you see them, you can't tell I'm the mom?
Not at all.
Alright.
Stranger.
You guys see him doing me bad? That's so in love do me up. So in love do me up. And when I do him up, you guys curse me out. Alright, I'm not saying nothing. I take my do up. Babe come home just in time to go pick up the kids. So we walk into school. For my babies, it feel like Friday. Feel like Friday. You feel what? So you sleep when you get back after dinner? No?
Yeah.
Gonna take a little nap?
I might.
You never give up naps, so he never give up the opportunity to take a nap.
No,
Trust
sometimes
me.
you need to just, and I don't know.
You're gonna make her sleep?
The time, yes. It is this time of the year.
Oh, it definitely have something to do with the time of the year. It is. It is. When it's cold, you just want to sleep. That's it. That's all. Sleep. Anyway, you guys, I'm going for my babies. And there goes a peek into dinner. No veggies today. While they already ate. Look at them. Eat and relaxing. While I'm just about to start. Look at this girl since she got home. Sarah, you have on your full princess outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's too funny.
Everything.
Where's the earring?
I don't know.
That's okay, you're going to bed soon. You won't need it, okay? You put it on tomorrow, okay? You're tired? You're tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a shower and go to bed, okay?
And then no, they're really bored. Don't throw it, Sarah. It's your weapon. It's your sword. Hey, with your sword.
Tyler, where is your sister? Show face, where is your sister? Why is she in the corner?
Because it's time to go to bed for her.
You guys. I just said to her it's time to go to bed and all I hear is her boot going clap, 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 clap.
She can't even roll.
You know you hit your head. Come. Look at her boot. Come, miss. Tyler, you two up. Look at this. Look at this. She's not leaving the shoes. Come, go to your room. Time to go. Go, princess. Go. Yes, son. Hear the boot. Hear the boot. Hear the boot. No, tomorrow is school. Tomorrow is school and supermarket, okay?
Yeah.
Come, Ty. Give me that. Give me. Hey. One time is take off your clothes and get in the shower. 1, 2, 3. Go, Sarah. Bathroom. Bedtime.
Chapeau.
Un chapeau pointu.
Ready for bed?
Yes, but why you look like you're mad?
Me? Not at all. Mad for what? Did you do something wrong?
No.
Okay. You're funny. I guess you know my mad face.
I still have in my head a dream of
That's okay. Think about something happy. All the fun moments that you've had in your life. Put your chair properly. Close all books on your desk. Take up everything that needs to pack up from your desk. And get ready for bed. Go tell Tata Nine. So why you come around here to turn off the... Hey! Leave the light! Let's go! All when it's time for bed, they're playing. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Tyler.
Alright, anyway guys, how was your day? You look better.
My coughing is better.
Feel better.
Yeah, my coughing is better.
Well, mine is getting better.
But
When I'm home, I'm kind of okay until the evening. The worst is when I'm in a public
Sleeping.
transportation or thing like this. It looks like all of the smell together, all of the bad
so why you don't
smell
bring
together.
a mask and wear it when you're on the tram?
That would be worse.
It would be worse for your coughing?
Yeah.
How so?
The thing is that whenever you feel like you want to cough in the public, so you try not to cough, and that's the worst thing to do.
You have water in your bag when you're
Always. I'm taking this thing, I'm sucking it.
The Strepsil.
Yeah. It helps.
The Strepsil helps me a lot. I think the green juice also help me.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you nothing about green juice because I know so you did test that. The man hate. I've never seen one man hate green juice. Babe only drink green juice when he had COVID, and that was it. Give him no more. Hey, I deliberately make enough green juice and leave a glass in the fridge each time, and I have to go and drink it the next day. Him
I didn't know
look
what's for me.
straight past it and go to him apple juice and him orange juice. Him not touching it. Me and the kids drink it every other morning.
And then she says she don't say something wrong with me.
Something wrong with him. Something wrong with it. It's true. Man hate green juice until he hate everything that's good for him. But me, not forcing a soul to do what they don't want to do.
Yeah. Green juice like it remind me too much about the green smoothie. She hated the green smoothie.
I
And
hated the
mastered
green
it.
smoothie, but I drank it.
Yeah, the first time you cheat so many times, the second time you give up.
I didn't give up either. I modified. There's a difference.
Yeah, she had
Give up is when you
she
quit.
adds pizza to the green smoothie.
Give up. Give up is when you quit. Modify is when you still have it, but have
Yeah,
something
still
else.
have it
Right?
with the pizza.
Exactly. I modified.
I love you.
I love you more. Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up, comment
Thumbs up.
down below. I'm tired. I'm not going to bed late tonight. Catch my keeper. I see you guys.
It's already 10:30.
Tomorrow. I'm going to bed as I finish
Tomorrow.
editing.
Tomorrow.